What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you saw my previous video, you saw my Malibu wouldn't start. I had to jump it with the Jeep. So I went and picked up this BatteryMINDer. What this does, you hook it up to your battery and it keeps your battery charged while your car is not in use. And also I went and got this quick connect. That way I can charge the battery while it's on the car. Because with the BatteryMINDer, it just comes with the clamps. I'm gonna show you different ways you can hook this up since I have two different types of batteries. So here we are, we all done. I got my quick connect hooked up to the battery and the Challenger. Here's my 15 amp fuse. That way we won't have no electrical issues. So yeah, I'm just gonna have it tucked off in here. And then you have your little cover. That way you won't have no type of electrical issues with it touching anything up under here while it's tucked off in there. So you're pretty safe with that. Don't mind my ashy hands when just working. So yeah, when I'm not driving this car, all I have to do is take my connector, get the connector off the wall right here. I already showed you how to plug it in. You just plug it into this one. And this is basically how I'm gonna have it. I'm just gonna have the wire sitting like that. Shut the trunk halfway so I won't squish my wire. And I'm just gonna have it like that. That way my battery will never go dead on me. And right here, let me show you. So this green indicator right here, when it's solid, the battery is charging. And when it's flashing, that means that the battery is already charged and is maintaining the battery, so it won't go dead. And also you have it right here showing you what I just pretty much told you. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. If you got any questions, just hit me up in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.